this natural stone wall that ties into our block wall. Go through the whole procedure of how this came about. Excavate an area so we can pour a foundation for this stone wall. I'm going to build a small form. We're just going to pour a foundation out as part of what's going to be holding up this hillside. So it has to have a lot of concrete and steel reinforcement to be strong enough to not fail. So we're just going to use our crowbar and hammer to tap it out and leverage it out. We're going to start out filling this void with some leftover concrete. We just dump and mix the black gravel. We're going to get back to building this natural stone wall. Just fixing in the structure that has to wrap around the bottom of this deck. Back section, put pieces under here. The treated timber sleepers just slot into the H-bar out of the rocks I have behind me here. So I put a first course of stone along this piece of timber here as a form for the stone to lay up against. So the concrete will stick to it really nicely. This can be done if you're gentle and take your time.
Lay your head upon my shoulder. Shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.